Hello and welcome. You're watching ET Markets. I'm Tanya Aneja, and here are the key highlights of the RBI monetary policy. Now, as expected, the Monetary Policy Committee has raised the repo rate by 50 basis points to 4.9% in order to tackle elevated inflation. The MPC's rate action was in line with the market expectations, and experts say that they continue to see another 60 to 85 basis points hike in rest of FY23 to manage inflationary expectations. The standing deposit facility, which represents the lower band of the interest rate corridor, has been raised to 4.65% from 4.15% earlier. Also, the central bank has decided to raise the marginal standing facility rate and bank rate to 5.15% from 4.65% earlier. The RBI has also sharply increased inflation projections, with CPI inflation for the current financial year now seen at 6.7%. CPI inflation is seen at 7.5% for the first quarter, 7.4% for the second, 6.2% for the third, and 5.8% for the fourth one. Also, inflation has breached upper tolerance level and will remain above 6% till December. The GDP growth projection for the current financial year has been retained at 7.2%, with that for the first quarter seen at 16.2%, the second quarter at 6.2%, the third at 4.1%, and the fourth quarter at 4%. Also, the RBI has increased the upper limit of home loan amount by at least 100% for the individual borrowers of primary cooperative banks and rural cooperative banks. The revision of these limits has happened after a gap of 11 years. Lastly, the RBI has proposed to allow the linking of credit cards to the UPI platform. To begin with, the RuPay credit cards will be linked to the UPI platform, which will provide additional advantage to the users and enhance the scope of digital payments.